Let's see what is the module. In our Angular application, the ecosystem is of Angular is a module based. Okay, so we have multiple modules inside our Angular application. Okay, and Angular provide multiple module to you. So like this is the form module. Okay, this is the Angular core module. Okay, this is the router module, and this is XYZ module. Whenever any functionality you have required, you can take from there, and you have one module inside your application as well, that is called root module. In your application there could be a multiple module, but right away you have one root module. So root module take the information or features from other module and insert it in this application. And now we come to the another point. And what is the meaning for module? In simplest terminology, I would like to say, we have grandfather, right, in our family, basically in India. So our family stays with them. So in grandfather knows in their family how many people are there. Like there is one son, one there is there is two children, and more person in this family, and he knows how many peoples are coming from outside, right? This could be another module, another people, right? So this is the same, like module keep all the information how many member are staying in this application, right? So how many external modules, how many external components, how many internal components, how many services are there, and everything information goes to this module, right? It keep the information which module will talk to another outside of this application, which component will talk outside of this component, and which will be bootstrap first of all, so our application will be started. So let's see in our application. So we are going in our application. So in this is the app folder, and in this whole application we have one app sorry, one app module, right? So why we say this is a root module? Because every application has one app folder, and this app is the base for your whole application. So that is why we call this component is app component, and this app module is called the app module, or this is the root component. That's why we have written the root app, right? That's why we have written the root app, right? If you go there, this is the app root, and the same way this is the app module, so we called it as a root module. So now I'm going and delete everything. We will see how we can write, so we will get more confidence, right? So let's see. As I already told you, inside the Angular application, everything is a TypeScript class. So their component is also was the TypeScript class. Now their module is also a TypeScript class. So export class app module. Okay. In this app module, how Angular will come to know this is the app module? So you need to give ng module, right? So this is the special kind of decorator, right? This will empower this app module class, and it will tell Angular, please treat this class as a module class, right? And it will take more information. And what more information it takes, right? So same thing, first of all, how many people in this application, right? So there is the one right away, this is the app component. Okay, so you need to tell, you need to declare how many family members are there. So this is the declarations, and in this app component goes there, app component. If I write correct name, it will automatically will take compo. 1 minute, I go there. I just remove there because I do not want to write from myself. I want to take help from the app app component. If I just import app, I take the name from the app component. Sometimes this is work like crazy. App component from, this is the app component. Okay, and this app component will go to the declarations. So I need to declare this. There is one son, right? Please, it's just a joke. So there is the component. So this ng module is knowing there is a one family member which is app component. Suppose if in future I would have multiple family members, it could be component, it could be directive, it could be a pipes. I need to declare how many people are there in this application. Okay, so now the next thing, because see our application is giving error, right? Because browser module is required to run this application on the browser. So what I told you, there is the more modules are available, angular used to run their application. So we need browser module. If I browser module, so this, see, this is imported from which module? From the angular platform browser module. This is available inside the node module. And if I need to give, I can't give in declaration. For the module I need to give import. If I give the import, inside the import I can give the browser module. So in future if we create some our own custom module, this will go there, right? More external like form module, router module, all these things will go there, right? In declaration we have our component, we can use outside of component, all will go in this declaration file. Now the next thing, why this is not working? Because our grandfather knows which is the main person will talk to outside, which will be running first of all, right? So our, we need to declare here, we need to tell which component, because right away we have one component, so we need to tell which component will bootstrap first. So I need to give the information कि भाई bootstrap app component first. Okay, so this app component is bootstrap first. So that's why index.html is knowing that it need to bootstrap app root. That's why we have written the app root, because this is our main component which is bootstrap one. After that more component in we will be writing in future, they will be coming, right? If you have more component, you can write their component c1, component c2, and if you want to bootstrap these first, you need to give this name to there. So it means c1 will be bootstrap first. So this is about the module, how this works, how this import the things. So again, this is the module. We need the ng module which take this information. It takes more information, we will see later, right? So this is the essential things, all the declarations, family members, all the imports, how many modules. So this is the declarations for family member, component, directive, or other things. Imports is responsible for the module, other modules, right? And there is more, there is a providers for the services. Okay, we are not writing there, we will write in future. And this bootstrap, which component will be bootstrap first, this information comes from there. So this is about app module. Thank you.